Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera night mode on the iPhone 17 Pro. So night mode is basically a mode that allows you to take clearer pictures during nighttime. And if you want to enable that mode, what we're going to do is open up the camera app, and then usually night mode turns on automatically by itself sometimes. For example, if it detects you're in a dark space, it will enable night mode by itself. But if you want to turn it on or off, the simplest way to do it is to go to these 6 dots on the top right, tap on those, and down here it will have night mode. So if you tap on it, it's going to enable max night mode, so the maximum amount of time that it's going to take a night mode photo. So usually when you take a night mode photo, it does like a long exposure photo. Basically, you need to keep your phone still for a few seconds so it can adjust and take the perfect photo. And here, as you can see by the number 1, this is the max amount of seconds that you need to take this night mode photo. So you can also do auto, so this mode, which means that he'll automatically detect how long you want the long exposure photo to be, so how many seconds. Or you can just turn it off by selecting this mode right here with the crossed out moon icon, and that means that the night mode will be turned off. So this is how you enable it. So you can do always on, off, and automatic. So just select the option that you want, and now let's test it out by taking a photo. This isn't really going to show you any results. I'm just going to show you that it actually works. And as you can see, it took like a while to take the photo. As you can see, like a second passes right here, and where you need to hold your phone still. And as you can see, the night mode photo has been taken. And well, that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.